the scissors out, place them across that stupid credit card, and cut it up. You can get out a piece of paper and do a
TLC
budget in about
plates.
20 minutes.
What a surprise.
Jump on every dollar and do your budget for free in about 20 minutes.
Engineering background for thinking this might be, you know, a legit thing. And then look, it looks totally real. Looks like
How's
it does
that guy
the business.
doing?
You know, you got the data to back it up, prototypes and everything else, and you mentioned that you had a functional prototype and all you need is the money to put it into production. Well, you know, it's
What a douchebag.
How can you say what my bet? What are you trying
What,
to say?
people pull over, guys? What? Jeez. Why? What was that last second exit to? Red light runner. Did he just run right through the stop sign? There's a stop sign there. How long are you gonna sit there? How long?
Predominantly affect black students, Hispanics. Students. Basically, students are segregated
Where are you
on
going?
an economic basis.
Hey, you cut off that guy.
45% of black and Hispanic students among his own party. Biden co-authored the 1994 crime bill called the Violent Crime Control and Law Enforcement Act. This 1994 law imposed tougher sentences.
Don't fucking tell me. Let's see where he goes. Yeah, he's pulling out of the parking lot. Douchebag. Oh, good luck with that. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Why would you try that? What?
You want to kill somebody and it's not me? I mean, who am I to say that that guy didn't deserve it? No, all right, taking a little break.
You don't
here. It's time
go
for a
that
little
way. It's no
advertising.
right
Hey,
turn.
by the way, thank you to everybody who came out in Santa Fe.
Wow.
In great shape mechanically, I'll take that. That's the $4,500 car I'm looking for if I'm you. Folks, that's how you purchase a hoopty.
Jeez. Come on, you can move over, dude.
I said the surge protector is so
Jeez.
good, your condo could blow up.
More lucrative for the driver compared to pretty much any other.
What the? What? Whoa! Whoa!
A lot of times I'm sort of weighing the options of should I take this bus route or should I?
And what's that truck doing?
A lot of people sort of go through this.
I don't think you're gonna make it. Of course. Oh, I thought you were gonna try.
Bro, the wheat. I don't know what to do. Wheat's not a finger food.
Underneath.
Legal U-turn up there.
Like a bag of chips. Sono Alfamado. Sono Alfamado! Pretty soon they're dancing around me. Sono Alfamado! My friends are going, what you say? What you say?
Nope. Oh, that truck up there. Wow. Why are you doing that? That lane ends. I understand, like, this left lane hug is not really helping things. Oh! Jeez! Oh, shit! Damn, no one is caring. Oh, oh! Close. A little too early there. There's like no reason for it, too. There's no one in that lane behind me. Oh my god, you're dumb. I stopped to let you go, but you slowed slower than my slowing. Why? Oh. Maybe I wasn't going to make it after all, but you're just going to keep going. What? Yeah, you better back up. Why don't you just park and walk in? What? Douchebag. Why? That was red light run. Last second exit. Red light runner. Why? You can't pass here. I don't know why. You're nuts. You're nuts. You're nuts. You're nuts. You're still nuts. How do you expect to see anything? Come on.
The ball, and then you got to make this mean face at fucking kids in the crowd. Like, what are you doing? Thumping your fucking chest. I would love to see.
Like, are they gonna honk? Yeah, there they go. Yeah, it sucks for all of them. Wait, is this another guy that can't use the left turn lane, saved his life. I blame Gary Coots for it. Yeah, you picked the wrong lane, buddy. Really? Seems like every time I'm on this on-ramp, that happens. Come on. There we go. And that guy's sitting too on the other end, too. Twofer. No trucks in the left lane. Hey, you're speeding right along in a snowstorm, but you just went past a speed trap. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So see you next week. Hopefully the weather will be better than this. Okay, bye.